a pretty little village. Take a look at that.
The village of Portree, which is very picturesque, but it's very tight, so we've had to come and drive through very quickly. It's not very Vario friendly, let's say. Oh! Yeah, you're okay. We're learning very quickly that Skye probably isn't the best place for a Vario, but it's still fun anyway.
Let's go straight up there.
Yeah, don't go down there. We're headed towards Staffin now.
Very tight.
It's very tight, yes. This is Mel's worst nightmare.
It's a footpath. It's not even a road.
So, wait. Slow. Mel's a bit fast on his speedy.
Oh, someone's going to let me go. We've got to come back this way.
No. No, I want to do a loop.
Oh.
I thought that was best. But who knows?
Whatever you want to do, wherever you want to go. You're the navigator. I'm just the driver.
You're not just the driver. Are they going to be a dick?
Yes, they're going to wait.
They're going to wait. She went like that.
Well, that was a bit of an epic drive, and I've just pulled over because there's a nice little waterfall there to take a little look at. Plus I want to stretch my legs. Becky's had me driving God knows where along all sorts of footpaths. The Vario is definitely not built for the Isle of Skye. The state of my van is covered in mud. Oh. Look at that, absolutely breathtaking. How you doing, dear? Found somewhere to park for the night?
I'm not sure whether we can park for the night here, but yeah, it's certainly beautiful.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think we should park here for the night.
Really?
Or is it too early in the day? What's the time?
4 o'clock.
Oh yeah. On the back of this sign there's a lot of stickers, so I figured why not? After all, it'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? There we go. Monster's having a shower.
Yeah, he got so wet. Right, let's see if we can get you. There we go. Just washing his paws, basically. That's perfect. That's it.
He's just sat there. Look, he just stood there. Don't care.
We really need to hoover this. This is just pretty gross. There we go.
It's not much better, I don't think.
No, maybe not.
Just wipe it off with the towel, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Look at my beautiful sink.
I will clean it.
I'm sure it'll be alright. So it's so nice being parked here by this waterfall. It's nice and level, and we've just spoke to a local taxi driver, and he reckons this road's dead at night.
Tour guide?
Oh, was he a tour guide?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Taxi driver.
Well, he seemed like a taxi driver to me.
Yeah, he was. But tour guide.
A tour guide, taxi driving tour guide type chap. Local. He's a local.
Local.
He said we could stay here all night, and by 9 o'clock this road is really quiet. And the tour guide stroke taxi driver also told us, or tipped us off, that the old man's store, which is just up there, look, you can just see it there, it is absolutely heaving up there at the moment, he said. And if you want to get the picture postcard photograph you see all over the internet, you have to walk up the hill about an hour to get the good photo.
Hour and a half, I think.
Hour and a half, did he say? Yeah. And we ain't fancying that. I'm not walking an hour and a half across rugged, muddy tracks just to get one photograph.
Plus he said that you can actually see it better from here.
Yeah, and the reason he brought all his customers, his tour. Oh, look at that bird! Look. So the tour guide stroke taxi driver said to us the view of the Old Manor store up there is actually better from down here than it is up there. Plus it's absolutely heaving up there, he said. It is absolutely ram-packed with tourists. So we're going to stay down here, have a little bit of lunch.
Yeah, we're not into the whole touristy vibe.
Crowds of people.
Not that it's bad if you are, but we've just come to switch off, haven't we, really?
Yeah, I don't want to go and do it. Yeah. I don't want to be doing that.
So we're not going to go there, because Mel's already had kittens coming this far.
It wasn't a road, it was a footpath, I'll tell you.
A footpath, I tell you.
Right, that's it then. So right. We're just going to sit down, relax.
And you're going to be making a cup of tea?
Yes, I'm waiting for the kettle to boil. But before I do, take another look at this. What a view. I don't think that's too shabby. Lunch, we're having sliced beef with some green shit, some red shit, and some beetroot, which is even redder shit, and some mustard and cheese. That's lunch sorted then.
And then we're going to decide whether we're going to stay here or move on.
Yes, and I've got the important task of making tea and coffee.
Yes.
I think we've worn out little monster. Look at him. He's done, isn't he?
Yeah, after washing him in the sink and he's had some food now, he's basically had it. He's basically said to us, after walking 2 waterfalls, I've had it.
Ain't doing no more.
I ain't doing no more.
You're starting to sound like me, love.
Am I? Oh dear.
Yeah. Becky's turning into a cockney.
Oh no.
Right, let's go and find somewhere to park for the night. We're not staying here. It's too busy. There's too many people around. So we've decided to move further on up the road and find somewhere else to park. Let's see what we can find. Look at that.
So that is it up to there, the store.
There it is. Here's our park up for the night. I hope it's level. It's not looking like it's level.
It's downhill.
It is, isn't it? You know what that means? We've got to turn round.
Yes.
Face up here. All right, because that means a sliding door will be on that side. So level, is it?
No, it's not.
So the park up I found was a bit of a failure because it was on a bit of a slope.
It wasn't a failure.
It was. So Rebecca suggested we come to the
Anchoran, which is where the dinosaur footprints are.
Anchoran.
Anchoran.
Hopefully the tide hasn't come in too far and we can see the dinosaur footprints.
Yes.
I've got a funny feeling we might be a bit too late.
Because it said mid-tide.
Yeah.
Mid-tide is the best time. Don't stand in them. And if you do see any like seaweed or rocks, keep them preserved and like clean the area.
Oh, is that what it said?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're out of luck.
I think we're out of luck, but it's still a beautiful evening.
It is.
And Monster can have a little one.
Yeah. I wonder what it'd be like if I brought my metal detector down here. I think people would mind. Might get in trouble. Metal detecting a historic place like this could get me into a slight spot of bother. Anyway, the tide is coming in, so yeah. Look at this, I just cannot get over how beautiful this place is. Well done, Becky, for finding such a beautiful park up for the night. All the vans are up there. Becky's talking to our new neighbours. This is the dog.
Yeah, 20 will be good.
Hello.
Yeah, 5-star right now.
Yeah. It's 6:30 in the morning. We've got up at a crack of a sparrow's fart because we want to try and get down to the beach before the tide comes in to see the dinosaur footprints. Also, because that way's east, we're hoping for a fantastic sunrise. I nearly said sunset. So far it is looking really good. Let's go down to the beach.
Let's go.
Got your coffee?
I can if I can reach it.
Once you pull in, I'll take him. There you go. Let's go. And there it is, the beautiful sunrise on September the 24th, 2025. Now all we need to do is wait for the tide to go out again so that we can go and see the dinosaur footprints. You looking forward to that?
Oh yeah. I think he's waiting to just go back to the van.
To the van. He's shivering, bless him. Right, should we go back to the van? That's all breakfast. The sun on your face is very radiant. Beautiful. I think one thing we've discovered coming to Scotland is a new appreciation of rocks. Just take a look at it. Yeah, geology. I mean, it's just that. Oh, I'm lost for words again. Look at that.
Just take a look at the boulders just on the beach line here. They've got to have come from behind us on that sheer rock face.
Yeah. So we thought we'd go for a little walk down to the harbour down here, because apparently there's a coffee shop there that sells rather unique coffee. So that's where we're heading now.
Mel wants some.
Oh yeah, you know me. I love a coffee.
I do.
Comes van love. Let's stand over here. So this puts a whole new perspective on freshly roasted coffee. Literally, the coffee is roasted right there, and here it is, right here, ready, now prepared as a tasty beverage. I've got to say, that is seriously, without doubt, some of the best coffee I've ever tasted. What do you think?
Yeah, it was very creamy and smooth, and I don't even like coffee generally.
I'd even go as far as say it's probably better than my coffee that I make with my machine.
Yes, I would say so. I think we will definitely buy some online, maybe try the beans.
Beans online.
Oh my god, there is loads of beans.
There's loads of people looking at the dinosaur footprints now.
Gosh.
Maybe we did this the wrong way round.
Well,
Anyway, we're going to walk back up the hill now. It's getting a bit windy, and you can see all the people up there looking at the dinosaur footprints. And we're not one of them. We found dino DNA, apparently. There you go.
Yeah.
There's a footprint there. You can see it in the puddle, and this gentleman tells us there's one up here as well.
Yeah, this is a really nice one. It's small, but
yes.
Oh,
you've got the angles, the shape of the toes is preserved.
Look at that.
It's rather nice.
That's awesome.
Now you've pointed it out, we can see it.
Yeah. Don't drink the puddles, it's not good for you.
I'll bear that in mind.
Oh dear.
Can't see. Oh.
Thanks to Peter, we actually found the one that's all over the internet. There it is, right there. The famous dino footprint.
Yeah, you can't pronounce it, can you?
How's it pronounced?
Megalosaur.
Megalosaur. There you go. Thank you, Peter.
Yeah. That's got a good one there.
That is a good one. There you go.
You found every single one?
Oh no.
No.
Thank you, Peter.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's amazing because we've been out here quite a while.
Yeah. Well, we've left the dinosaur footprints. We're on our way around the headland of the Isle of Skye. I've just had to pull over to take a look at this. The way the sun is reflecting on those hills there, or cliffs. There's a lock down there.
I don't know whether that's a lock or whether it's just a pond.
I just wanted to stop and get it on film. Right, let's carry on.
Yeah.
This is a hairpin bend. Look at this. Unbelievable.
Yeah, just take it really
proper
slow.
Italian job.
You're just going to have to go really slow. Oh shit.
You could have waited, but you didn't.
No.
ruined my moment. Well, we've had a lovely time on the Isle of Skye,
Yes, we have, truly.
but now it's time to sadly leave. But before we go, let me just show you.
That actually rhymes. It's time to say goodbye to the Isle of Skye.
There you go, I'm a poet and didn't know it. Take a look at this. We are going to drive over this bridge here, and that bridge will take us off of the Isle of Skye back onto mainland Scotland. Just thought I'd show you that briefly because it's very windy. It is another beautiful day. Right, so there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you when we go to
Inverness.
Inverness. But before Inverness,
Loch Ness! Ooh.
Loch Ness. Here we come.
The door's
See you when we get there. It is windy.